Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 37, and we're continuing our journey with Django. We'll cover creating views and handling URL routing, form handling and validation, and implementing user authentication and permissions. Let's dive right in. Let's start with creating views and handling URL routing. Views in Django are responsible for processing user requests and returning responses. We've already created a simple view for our blog homepage. Today, we'll add more views to handle different functionalities. Open blog.views.py and add the following views. Next, update visitor_urls.py to include the new view. This sets up URL routing to handle requests for individual blog posts using the primary key, PK, to identify them. Now let's move on to form handling and validation. Django makes it easy to handle forms and validate user input. We'll create a form to allow users to create new blog posts. First, create a forms file. In blog, create a new file named forms.py and define a form for our post model. Next, create a view to handle the form. Update blog.views.py. Now, add the URL pattern for the new view in my site urls.py. Finally, create the template blog to templates blog create_post.html. This form allows users to create new blog posts. The CSRF_ token ensures that the form submission is secure. Last but not least, let's implement user authentication and permissions. Django provides a built-in user authentication system that handles user login, logout, and registration. First, add authentication views provided by Django to visitor_urls.py. Next, create templates for login and logout views in users' templates users login.html. Logout.html. To restrict access to the post creation view, update blog.views.py. Now, users need to log in to create a new post. Start the development server again if it's not running. Open your browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000 login to see the login page. And that's a wrap for day 37 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we built upon our Django application by creating views, handling URL routing, managing forms and validation, and implementing user authentication and permissions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 38. Keep coding and happy learning.